So this is gonna be an unusual episode. So this is my studio, and as you see, it's a big mess. So my plan for today here is actually to get some more efficiency into my studio. So I've been away here for vacations, I have people coming over, staying, so I just chucked stuff into here, and I actually started here to rebuild the whole setup. So as you can see here, this is a new light setup I'm working on, because when I recorded here before, I had a light stand over here, so I had to demolish or like erect and disassemble my setup every time. So the setup I'm gonna work on here is actually, I placed this shelf here on top, and then I have a magic arm attached to this light here, so that's I can have a light from this side constantly set up, and then I'm gonna set an audio like this, the audio arm here with a shotgun microphone, so I can just swivel around my setup and get the audio captured easier. So as you can see here, this is actually where I capture most of my recordings from, so in this direction. So yeah, I'm gonna swap this Wacom from there to there. So I'm planning having this as the main monitor, because I want to be able to do some easier Wacom work, and I think it's too far away there, so I'm gonna have it there, and it's gonna be easier also to access all of this. So my dogs is barking, let's go and check. Here's Nala. Say hello. Here we are back in the studio again. So my plan is also to install into my computer, because I need more storage for my videos. I guess it's time-lapse time. Halfway through here, I went into a little of a speed bump. So I was trying to insert my new hard drive there, the 4 terabyte, but I'm missing the dock there. So, but the good thing, I took some of my compressed air and blew out all of the dust from this computer, because it's been on the floor for a while, so I guess it's gonna collect dust. Other than that, I managed to move my Wacom to there, so it was there before. So yeah, now it's gonna be easier here. Okay, so the doorbell just rang, and Amazon delivered this one. So this is a Crane 3 Lab handheld gimbal. So yeah, more on that in another episode. So I managed to find the drive bay and everything, and I got it up and running. So now I just need to put everything back into place and get on with this. Okay, so we've finished here now, and here we have the LED light, and it's attached to a C-stand behind this character here. So yeah, it's dimmable. And here on the back we can see now the C stand and my FMV LED light. It's the same as in the key light that's on top. And here in the corner I have my storage, so it's a QNAP, and on this Darth Vader. And my sign here that gives some ambient light. And here we have the Wacom and some of the gear I use to record and stream. And here's the microphone with the stand and my charging station here. So we have my different charging and V-mount with the Mothra named battery there, and there's Mothra and Ghidorah. And here on the back we have my different things like teapots and a pair of glasses here I got sent from Pixar, so it's really cool. So yeah, some of the things I use in my studio here, a few extra cameras and stuff. And here in the back we have a storage under the printer and stuff. So, and yeah, so there's the camera I'm actually filming on now. And here in the corner I have a C-stand, an extra C-stand when I want to rig something, and behind the door is more storage for lights, fixtures. So yeah, and Godzilla.